God have.
Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode or landscape, whichever one you want. Then you walk into the scene with your water. Then at a point you drink the water, drink it. Then you do as if, that something, as you drink the water, as if the water is poison, that something is troubling or disturbing your stomach. Then at a point you bend down like I did. You wait for some few seconds, then you shock like I did now, as if imaginary, like you vomited something. Then you walk out. All right, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import your video to workspace. Click on your video, go and locate volume. Okay, click on volume now, reduce it to 100%, mark on that good and go back. Locate where you want your video to start from. Look at this place, I will mark on the video, make a split. Delete the first part, we don't need it again. Then at this point now, you keep adjusting the video. Keep adjusting the video, alright, keep going to the place where you bend. Alright, immediately you bend down, you click on the video and make a split, alright. Make a split now, click anywhere right now. Then click on overlay, add overlay, import your rat green screen. Then at this point, click on the top one, go and look for duplicate. You want to duplicate that up video, right? Click on duplicate now and duplicate it. Then you locate overlay, right? Locate overlay, you want to overlay this one, click on overlay. Then drag it to the front. Drag this very one to the front. We have 3 layers now. The third layer, you drag it, put it at this point because we want to work on the green screen rat now. Click on it. Look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Chroma key. Drag it up, alright? Mark on that good and go back, alright? Mark on the good. Click on it again. Go and look for adjust. Look for adjust, guys. Look for adjust. Look for adjust. Click on adjust now. Look for HSL. Click on HSL. Click on that green. Reduce saturation to 100%. Reduce it to 100%. Mark on that good and go back. Mark on the good and go back. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. Okay, give us thumbs up if you like what we are doing. All right, welcome to the tutorial. So at this point, click on the rat layer now. Click on the rat layer, crumple it, then take it to the point of your mouth. Look at what I am going to be doing. Make sure it's at the point of your mouth. Take time to do your adjustment here. Take you to the point of your mouth. After adjusting it, then you come and click on the third layer and drag it to match with this green screen and the other first layer, right? But first of all, adjust it. After adjusting it now, making it look good, then you drag this one, make it match here. Then after that, you click on it, go and look for mask. Look for mask, guys. Look for mask, locate mask, all right? Click on mask right now, click on horizontal, all right? Drag it up. You want to review that your rat again, drag it up. Look at the rat there, mark on that good and go back. If you have reviewed the rat, you mark on the good and go back. Then click on that green screen rat. You want to add keyframe now. Add keyframe, then adjust the video, drag the rat down. As you are dragging it down, you are expounding it to make it bigger, all right? You drag it, then you drag it down, finish now. Make it big and place it the position you want it to be, all right? Make it the way you want it to be. After that now, then you go play the video. Let's just see to a point. This one is good now. So let's go and do the remaining work. Immediately you move out now. All right, we'll be clicking on the green screen again. Click on it. Click on the green screen right now. Click on splice. All right, click on splice. We want to reduce it. We want to make the rat disappear. All right, so reduce the texture. You go front again, you keep reducing it. You are making the rat to disappear. Shift again, reduce it. All right, then shift for the last time now, then you reduce it. Finish. Mark on that good and go back. At this point I feel that this video is ready. Let us play it. At the course of playing this video now, try to identify errors. If there are errors, if there are mistakes, then you try to correct it. All right, but after playing it and you find out there is no error, there is no mistake, then your video is ready. Let's calm down as we are playing the video so to see the result we have got. Good, this is good, this is good. Then you do as if you are shocked. You move out. Immediately you move out now. Look at what will happen. The rat will disappear. So at this point, what we are going to be doing is to mark on this green screen rat and we make a split and delete the last part. At this point here, your video is ready. What will be remaining now is to add your effects, light effect, sound effect, and other effects. Then after that, you can now export your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your effects. Then after that, you can now export your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. Now, what will be remaining is for us to export this video. Then you click on export there. Click on export. You export your video to your gallery. All right, export your video. Come down. Now it has exported 100%. This video I've installed in your gallery. What is remaining now is for you to share it to your social media handles. All right, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.